Hello everyone, this is GL from GL Tech School. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a simple program to separate the odd numbers and the even numbers from the list. I hope you have the understanding of odd numbers and even numbers. Basically, odd numbers are like this, and the even numbers are going to be like this. Okay, what we're going to do in this video, we're going to separate odd numbers and the even numbers from a given number. Okay, so first of all, we need to get the user input. So from the user input, I'm going to say the number value. So number value, I'm going to say input, enter a number. Okay, we're going to ask a number from the user. When the user is going to enter a number, it is going to look into the numbers, how many odd numbers inside the number. For example, if the user is entering 100, it is going to list out all of the odd numbers and all of the even numbers which is inside 100, which is below 100. Okay, that is the basic idea of things. So the next things I want to do, I want to convert. So I want to write a simple for loop. This loop is going to be range in int and the number value. So I have used int over here. Now you can see that the user is going to enter 100 over here. When the user is going to be typing 100 here, the 100 is going to be here if the user type 100. So I cannot use like this. For example, if I say number.value, what will happen? It will throw an error because by default the input method will return as a string value. So we need to cast them. Casting means we need to convert as a numerical value. That's why I use int over here. Now what will happen, the value which is entered by the user is going to be stored over here. So it depends on how many times the user is entering. So here I want to do like the logic to separate the even numbers and odd numbers. So basically I'm gonna show you a simple example. So if I print x here, so if I run the program over here, so it will ask me to write the number. So I type 100, it is going to run 100 times, and you can see that. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a simple space which will make me more sense to us, and if I say that, it is going to run 100 times from 0 to 99. So what we're going to do in this video, we're going to separate the odd numbers and even numbers from the given number. So first of all, I have to write an if condition. If a modules, which means it is a type of arithmetic operation, modules y2 is equal to 0, this means it is an odd number. Now you need to print something like even. It is an even number. If x is modules y2 is equal to 0, if we modules x y2 is equal to 0, that means it's an even number. So I'm going to say even x. Okay, else otherwise, okay, the otherwise it's going to be a odd number. So if I run the program, it is going to ask me to enter the number. Here if I type it, and you can see it is an odd number, it is an even number, it is an odd number, and so on and so forth. If your system is want to print x to 100, you can use like this. For example, you can take x equal x plus 1. So now if I execute the program, it is going to work until 100. Basically the computer starts at 0. Therefore what we did here, we just add one extra 1 to it every time the program runs. So it's unwanted, but this is the right code to get the odd numbers and even numbers from the given input. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.